5 reasons to choose solution-focused hypnotherapy. 2020 has been a difficult year for many people. Stress from working at home, concerns over the pandemic, and the world's problems have made this year very challenging. If you are struggling with depression and anxiety, you are not alone. Fortunately, you can take natural, practical steps to reduce these uncomfortable feelings and improve your feelings of well-being. One of those steps is solution-focused hypnotherapy, SFH. There are many different kinds of hypnotherapy, from past life regression to cognitive hypnotherapy. Solution-based hypnotherapy focuses on the here and now. It looks at your present situation and what you would like to change. Here are 5 reasons people chose SFH to improve their lives. Solution-focused hypnotherapy is safe and practical. SFH is a form of talk therapy that uses hypnosis to help you enter a natural, relaxed state. This type of hypnosis is not the silly stage hypnosis of television magicians. The hypnosis simply allows you to access your unconscious mind. When you are calm and relaxed, you can visualize solutions and ideas your conscious mind is too busy to see. SFH is a holistic, modern approach that uses well-researched, practical methods to help people make the changes they desire. Hypnotherapy is also side effect-free and non-intrusive, and can be provided over Skype, Zoom, FaceTime, or one-on-one. SFH focuses on solving problems. There are many kinds of therapy that people find helpful, but while it can be interesting to know why something happens, what we need at the end of the day is solutions. We need anxiety and depression symptoms to dissipate. We need help with addictive behaviors like overeating or support to quit smoking. We want our fears and phobias and chronic pain to go away. The answer is in the name. Solution-focused hypnotherapy. SFH deals with the present and your future so that you can start to make crucial changes and see differences right away. The goal is to find a resolution to your problem, not go back and revisit it. Knowledge is key. Sometimes we have questions about ourselves. How can I start feeling better? Or, how do I stop doing? These questions are normal, and the answers are available. In some cases, the answers may be deep in your unconscious, and this is where SFH can help. In other cases, other brain-based therapy is useful. Brain-based therapy is where we look at how your brain works. Our minds aren't as logical as we'd like them to be. Knowing what is happening in your brain can help you, and there are techniques you can use to solve your problems. Each client receives tailor-made hypnotherapy customized for their problems and personality. When we talk, we will find the right path for what you need. SFH helps you relax. Our conscious minds are always on the go, thinking and planning, and ruminating. As busy people, our brains are continually running, and we don't take enough time to relax. But for optimal health, you need time to decompress and reflect. Solution-focused hypnotherapy helps you enter that trance-like, daydreaming state our brains need to function properly. Relaxation and visualization help reduce feelings of anxiety and allows you to see positive solutions. SFH can improve your relationships at home and work. Feelings of fear, anxiety, stress, and depression can hurt relationships with our families and our colleagues. Perhaps you are having trouble sleeping, and your mind feels fuzzy or full of doubts. Or maybe you have a hard time finding your voice and making suggestions in a business meeting, or find yourself flying into a rage at home with your family. These feelings and behaviors are disruptive to your relationships. If you are afraid of poor job performance or hurting someone you care about, know that you don't have to feel this way. Solution-focused hypnotherapy will work with you to find solutions and a more positive outlook. What can solution-focused hypnotherapy help with? Hypnotherapy can help with many problems. People struggling to manage stress, anxiety, depression, and chronic pain have found help with hypnotherapy. Solution-focused hypnotherapy is also helpful for people who have problems with fears or phobias, sexual issues, weight management problems, or who want to break habits, like quitting smoking. These issues can have a significant impact on our lives. Though everyone's experience is unique, these are very common problems, so know that you are not alone, and there is help available. For a free tools kit to help with stress, visit hypnotherapy.debono.com.